In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drawing to Google Keep. If you've ever found yourself wanting to include a quick sketch or a handy drawing alongside your notes in Google Keep, you've come to the right place. We'll be guiding you step by step through the entire process so you can unlock this creative feature with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to Google Apps. You'll typically find this option in the top right corner of your Google homepage. It looks like a small grid of dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of all your available Google applications. From this menu, you'll want to locate Google Keep. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to scroll down a little bit. Once you've found Keep, just click on it to open the app. Now that you're in Google Keep, it's time to select a note where you'd like to add your drawing. This could be an existing note you've been working on or a new one you've just created. Simply click on the note to open it. Once your note is open, look for the More option, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. This is located at the bottom of your note. Clicking on More will launch a menu of additional options. From this list, select Add Drawing. This will open an interface where you can get started with your sketch. In the drawing interface, you'll find various tools at your disposal. You can begin to draw by using your mouse or a stylus, depending on what device you're using. There's plenty of room for creativity here, so let your imagination guide you. Keep in mind, especially if you're using Google Keep on a touchscreen device, it can be quite fun and intuitive to draw with your fingers as well. Now, to make your drawing work for you, consider using the customization options provided. You can change the color and pen size to suit your needs. Simply explore the available options at the top of the screen. Whether you want to make something bold and colorful or subtle and understated, these tools will help you achieve the desired effect. Once you're satisfied with your drawing, it's time to save it to your note. To do this, simply click on the back button that you'll find in the top corner of the interface. This action will save your masterpiece directly to the note you originally selected. And there you have it, you've successfully added a drawing to your Google Keep note. Now you have the ability to enhance your written notes with sketches, diagrams, or any creative doodles you can think of. With this simple yet powerful feature, Google Keep becomes not just a tool for writing, but also a space for creative expression. Thanks for tuning in and happy drawing!